Looking for the ultimate comfort food for your next family dinner? Today we are making a simple, cheesy homemade lasagna that tastes like it came from a professional kitchen. You will need lasagna sheets, ground beef, onion, garlic, tomato sauce, and a variety of cheeses. Make sure you have mozzarella, Parmesan, ricotta, Italian seasoning, olive oil, and basic salt and pepper. Start by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a pan and cook the onions and garlic until they smell amazing. Add the ground beef to the pan and cook it until it is nicely browned and crumbled. Pour in the tomato sauce and stir in the Italian seasoning, then let it simmer for 10 minutes. While that simmers, mix your ricotta cheese with a generous portion of Parmesan in a small bowl. Now we build the layers. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce across the bottom of your baking dish. Carefully place your lasagna sheets on top of the sauce to create the first layer. Spread that creamy ricotta mixture evenly over the pasta sheets. Add another layer of meat sauce followed by a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat these layers until you have used all your ingredients and the dish is full. Finish it off with a heavy topping of mozzarella and Parmesan for that perfect crust. Bake it in the oven until the cheese is golden, bubbly, and completely melted. Slice it up, serve it warm, and enjoy every bite of this delicious meal. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes every week.